Evergreen. Candid, new trends in Icse. Introduction. Separation word refers to isolation of substances which occur together. Normally, substances exist in the form of mixtures with little or more of the other component. Thus, in order to have a pure substance, separation becomes must.
Pure substances. Pure substance is the one which is made up of only one kind of molecules. It has definite composition and properties. Pure substance is the one which has uniform composition and properties. It is pure and composed of single units which cannot be separated by physical means. Elements and compounds are thus classified as pure substances.
Milk appears to be pure, but actually it is a mixture of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, sugar, vitamins, and minerals. Thus it is a mixture and not a pure substance.
Elements.
Introduction.